3.
Hello, welcome to the class. In this tutorial we are going to learn on how we can import data from Excel to R, and from there you can make several analysis depending on your data is required. So by starting, we can open the Excel file and import some information. And I have my Excel file here, which is somehow very blank. So perhaps maybe we want to import the data concerning about the height, weight, age, and gender. Okay, we can start by writing here. Maybe we start with height. Then we go for weight. Then we go for gender, so it may be age. And then from there we complete with gender. This information is not somehow readable. Maybe we can increase some fonts. Where we can increase the fonts. We can increase the font from here. From here, we can make maybe let's make it 24. Then you can increase this column. Do it this way. Yes. Do it this way. Yeah. Then from there, maybe 8. Maybe it can be in centimeter. Maybe the first person have a weight of 172. The second one maybe have 188. The third one maybe will have 166. And also maybe 156, 134, 177. 189, maybe the last one weight of 200 centimeter. Sorry. Now for the weight, maybe the one with the height of 172 has a weight of maybe 67. Another one has a weight of 78. Another one has a weight of 100. Another one has a weight of 56. Another one has a weight of 89. 56 maybe. 112. And this one maybe has a weight of 150. Okay. Now from there, let's go to the age. Entering the data for the age. Age. And this one is 34, 45, 67, 32, 56, maybe 80, another 56, and 78. Then let's come for gender. Gender, we have males and females. So maybe the first person is a male. The second one is the female. Another one is a male, maybe female, male and female. Okay, now you've already entered your data in the Excel, then you have to save this file. In order to save this file, there is a process of saving this file so that it can be readable in the R. You come here for File, you go for Save As. When you save this file, you have to save as a comma separated values. Comma separated values. Come here for workbook, save types. Now you come across to this point, CSV file. We have CSV file, that is comma separated values. Then also you can save as a comma delimited tabs, but let's start by saving as comma separated values. So you put it this way, then here you write your file name. Maybe the file name is called data1, and we save it in the desktop. Okay, now we write save. The set file does not support workbooks that contains multiple sheets. To save all the active sheet, click OK. Okay, so the problem is saved. Okay. Now you come to the desktop. When you come to the desktop, you come to check this is the data1. The file is already saved and it is called data1. You can open it for review first before importing it. If you open it, this is the kind of data that it looks like. Weight, age, and what? And gender. Now we import this file from Excel to R. We have to open the R console. This is here. Maybe in order to omit those words, you type here Control-L. Then from here, you import the data. The command that we use to import the data is as follows. You write read dot CSV bracket, then you write file dot choose, and then you put another bracket, then you put comma. And already our data have height, weight, and age and gender. So those are headings concerning to every particular column. So here we have to write header. Header is equal to true. Is equal to true. Then you close the file. Close the brackets. From there you type enter. If you type enter, it directs you to where the file is located. Now the file is located in the desktop, and we name it as data1, this one. So if you type data1 here, then you open the file. So this is how we can enter, or we can import the data from Excel to R. From there now you can make anything that you want. Any analysis that you want, you can make here. You can calculate the mean, you can calculate the maximum, you can calculate anything by using some other commands that is supposed to be. So guys, hope you have understood this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn on how we can import the same data from Excel, but in form of comma delimited values, not in comma separated values. After importing those data, then we will come on how we can check, how we can analyze, how we can find the maximum, how we can find the mean, age, standard deviation, and the other stuffs. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.